बहुत ही अमेजिंग और बहुत ही हैरत अंगेज वाकया जो बुजुर्गों ने अपनी किताबों में लिखा। मुजाहिद बिन याहिया बल्खी has said that one Khurasani had been living in Makkah al-Mukarramah for 60 years. He was very pious, worshipping the whole night. इतना नेक था कि सारी रात इबादत करता. He would recite the Holy Quran in the day and perform tawaf the whole night. He had friendship with a righteous and pious person. The pious person entrusted that Khurasani 10,000 dinars and embarked on a journey. 10,000 दिनार उसे अमानत के तौर पर लिए और वो सफर पर रवाना हो गया. When he returned from his journey, he came to know that this Khurasani had passed away. वापस आया तो पता चला उसका तो इंतकाल हो गया. उसको परेशानी हुई कि 10,000 dinars that time is such a big amount. तो अब वो पहले तो तलाश करता रहा कि वो कोई इसका लवाहिकीन में से कोई रिश्तेदारों में से मिल जाए, मगर कोई ना मिला. Then that pious person mentioned this particular incident to the scholars of Makkah al-Mukarramah. Makkah Pak के उलमा के पास गया कि that's happened and I entrusted the 10,000 dinars of that person. He's passed away. अब मेरे पैसों का क्या होगा? Then the fuqaha of Makkah al-Mukarramah said that they were hopeful that deceased Khurasani would be a heavenly person. They advised the pious person to call him like this, peeping into Bir Zamzam past midnight. आधी रात को जाओ और जमजम के कुएं पर जाकर इस तरह जाकर पुकारो, क्योंकि हमें ये उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह तुम बताते हो कि वो बड़ा नेक था, तो वो जन्नती, उसकी रूह जो है वो जन्नती रूहों के साथ होगी. और जो स्कॉलर्स ऑफ मक्का थे उन्होंने बताया कि जन्नतियों की रूहें जो हैं वो बीरे जमजम पर जमा होती हैं. तो हाफ नाइट के बाद, मिड नाइट के बाद जाकर जमजम के कुएं पर जाकर, बीरे जमजम पर जाकर इस तरह तुमने आवाज लगानी है, ओ खुरासानी, I entrusted you something. He would reply. The pious man did the same thing, but he didn't receive any reply. कि वो गया, उसने जाके आवाज भी लगाई मगर कोई जवाब ना आया. He then contacted the scholars of Makkah al-Mukarramah again. They said, expressing their grievance that perhaps the Khurasani was not among heavenly persons, otherwise his soul must have been in Bir Zamzam. The scholars had then advised the pious man to call him in the same way in Bir Barhud. It is in Yaman. एक ऐसा कुआं, जहन्नमियों की रूहें जो हैं वो उस कुएं में होती हैं, वो जहन्नम के किनारे पर बना हुआ. तुम उधर जाओ, हो सकता है ये जहन्नमियों के दरमियान हो. Then that pious person traveled towards there, and then when he asked the Khurasani person, when he peeped over there, that, oh Khurasani, I entrusted you something. After a while, that Khurasani answered from that particular place. The pious person asked why he was there, as he was pious and big, noble and making ibadat day and night. Then the Khurasani said that he had a disabled sister who he ignored and broke his relation with. Due to this, his entire worship was destroyed. 60 साल मक्के में इबादत करने वाला, दिन में कुरान पढ़ने वाला, रात में तवाफ करने वाला, इतनी इबादतें होने के बावजूद, what is the reason behind it? Because he have a disabled sister. और उसको इग्नोर किया, उसकी केयर ना की, उसके हुकूक अदा ना किए. मरने के बाद, after the death, उसे बताया गया कि because of that ignorance, तुम्हारी 60 years की whole worship जो है वो destroy कर दी गई, खत्म कर दी गई, उसे जहन्नमियों के साथ डाल दिया गया. The pious person asked him of his dinars, which interested him. Khurasani replied, they were buried in the so and so corner of his house. Deceased Khurasani asked him to go there and dig it out. Hence that pious person went to the house of Khurasani, dug his money out, and then visited the house of his sister, fulfilled his sister's need and pleased her. The pious person visited Makkah al-Mukarramah again, Bir Zamzam again, and then asked that Khurasani person, you are here or not? And because the sister now pleased, he received reply from that Khurasani from the Bir Zamzam again. And he replied that because my sister is pleased with me now, that's why Allah Ta'ala forgive my sins and give me Jannat. My dear Islamic brothers. ये वाकया, ये स्टोरी, ये हम सबको झंझोड़ने के लिए काफी है। Sometimes we are praying namaz, we are making hajj, umrah, everything, but क्या हमारे जो रिलेशन हैं हमारी सिस्टर से, हमारे ब्रदर से, हमारी फैमिली से, हमारे पेरेंट्स से, हमारे फैमिली वालों से, क्या हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे?
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।